Good morning, March 19th, 2025.
Good morning.
All right, another day, another dollar. There we go. Wake up. Oh, sorry. Okay, here's the daily chart. Here's the 5 EMA, which is running around 19,608. I think before we get long, you've got to get above that. This is the weekly pivots. It's basically posty pivots on the weekly basis. Daily or weekly pivots 19,669 is what I got. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I got. When we were coming up, I said we needed to get up into this box. We got up into that box. We rejected, came back below the 5 EMA, and here we are trying to decide what to do. So obviously FOMC day, big day, so not much, probably going to be some chop. We'll see a move in the morning, up, down, all around, whatever it is, and then wait for the Fed. So try to get in and get out and move on. That's what I got. Daily, on the hourly, yesterday I put this trend line up. We broke it before coming to the open, and we just went straight down. I mentioned that right around 19,004 there was some support, and sure enough, what do we get to? The low 19,397. So now we're up into this 4-hour sell gap, which was caused by the move down, and we're just kind of hanging out. So that's where we're at, just hanging out. I think just waiting for the Fed. You could do something like this and say, well, if we come back down below, it'll be at about 2 o'clock, right? 2:30. If we come down below 19,480, call it, that would probably, let's call it 475. That would probably be a good short. But might want to come down and punch through this guy before bouncing up if we're going to go up. I think we have unfinished business up to the upside, so we shall see. Could they tank it? Yep, they could tank it. Here's a 15-minute. Right now we're right in the CPR. Daily pivots 584.25, and yeah. That's it. We got the resistance up here at 19,623.25 to 19,686.50. VWAP is currently at 537, so just kind of waiting. Whatever the move will be in the morning is what it'll be, and then we'll wait for a Fed 2 o'clock and then 2:30. So that's that. Big drop yesterday morning. So the daily, I think we got to get above, before you can go bullish, you got to get above that 5 EMA, which is at 607. Call it 608. Then at 669 is the weekly pivot. So there you go. We'd like to see a move back up into here, 20,300. That would be the best thing, but don't always get what you want. Or just to move higher, and just go on higher. All right, that's all I got. Easy day today. Let's see what happens with the Fed at 2. So it might be a lot of choppy, a lot of trappy. I still have my little posty note that says don't trade on FOMC day. So I will be trading small. In fact, I'm going to put everything to micros, which kind of messes up my day. My goal for this week is 1,200 a day, so that will mess things up, but we'll just let it play out. I just know there's a lot of trappy going on. So play small, try to get in and get out before we start to go sideways. I mean, you can see the move yesterday. Once we dropped down, what did we do? I mean, we stayed in a, well, besides that candle, you know, from 450 to 580, 130 points. You know, really, you could say we ran from 550 down to 450, 100 point swings. Whether you caught them or not, I don't know. But that's what it looked like. Nasty. Just nastiness. Even the 5 minute, I don't think looked good. Yeah, look at that. That's just taking your money. That's all that is. All right, London low or London high is up here at 541. You can see we've hit it once, twice, 3 times, maybe 4 times we break down below VWAP. I don't know. I don't know why all my little bar timers are messed up. But anyway, 3 minutes ago. Morning, Michael. I gotta go get my phone. I'll be right back. Never mind, it was right next to me. I didn't even see it. We completed work in your area. Okay. Oh. Oh. Let's see. Well, I'll look at the cues. Keep an eye on them today. All right. Here we go, minute and a half. It's going to be a big. Give me something to do here. Create my little lines. All right, 30 seconds to go. There we go. Good luck. I'm on 625 NQ. All right, came up to looks like the pivot, daily pivot. Which is 791.50, trying to bust above that. $791, so trying to get above this 800 here. There we go. slow open. See if we can come down to this guy here at 587. Let's see what he does. $569 is the low. That was interesting. What is that? 69. All right, kind of a pretty slow open. We got to go higher, huh? We're up 100 points. And I don't see much on the 5 minute, 15. This is all just a big sell gap, so that's the problem. So we're trying to get above, we're staying above the pivot, which is around 84, 84.25. Not very exciting open, that's for sure. All right, heading down to the pivot, 791.50. Up there, Pluto. Today is a bearish day. Wowzer. Well, let's see. Yep, kind of a slow one. Not much to say. We're still in the pre-2 minute open. Yep, that's what I was talking about earlier. I was talking about just a trap day. But you never know. Sometimes you can get, I mean, we're up 100 points, and now we're down 50 of those, or 40. I'll wait and see if we get below VWAP here. this is the wrong chart here too. Huh. I thought all my charts are supposed to be at. Oh, maybe they didn't all change. Might have to fix that. I was wondering why my VWAP was so far as 10 points off, and I was like, what the heck? All right, so we're up to the 1 minute weighted, trying to get down, see if we can get down below VWAP there. I might do a little micro trade. Again, I'm not interested in trading too much today. I'll wait till after FOMC. If we drop back, or if we drop below this guy right here, right around 540, then I'll look to go short. That'll drop VWAP and it'll drop below. You got a nice little bearish candle there. So let's see right here. Again, I'll play micros. We bounced real far right on the bottom. Here, I'll just throw myself out there. Oh. Yep. I understand. That's why I have a little sticky that says don't trade on FOMC day. That's why I'm trading micros. I could take too short right here. It's within my rules, but I don't know. If we come back down below the 1 minute weighted, I might. 764. Let me just get all these charts on the same language. There we go. All right. Back down below the 1 minute. See if we can get down below. I still would like to break down through 747 before I go short. I mean, this is acceptable right here. But you got to get below that 1 minute weighted right here. It's also the midnight open at 763. I did a 10 go low on my one of my apexes there. Evaluation didn't get it. Okay, none of my accounts were being taken there. I don't know why. Oh, that's why. That would have been a good trade. Oh well, that one's just as good. It's the opening range low. Going to set it here in a couple minutes. I'm down to 2 minutes to go. 2.5. Let's see if we can take out the London low. That'll be my target. There's some support right here. 713. As you can see, we've hit it a couple times. Well, hit it quite a bit over the course of time. Okay, I don't want to turn in a winner into a loser, so I'll at least go to break even. Guess it would have been a good trade anyway. One more minute, we'll lock in the 15-minute low. Maybe we hold out here. I always hate to be in a nice trade and you're playing micros. Nothing worse. Okay, it would be nice to come up here around 744 or 740. Yeah, 744 is good. Probably close enough. Coming back up to VWAP. We closed the 1 minute gap there. I'm going to take one off just to reduce my risk. Come on down. Come on down. Darn it. Oh. Whew. What was that? I don't know what that was. Some news? Evidently. Let's see where my news maker is. Ridiculous. Anybody catch that? Let's see. News. And there's a buy signal. I don't see any news. Huh. That was a good fake out. Back up to the pivot, 791. Today, huh? Alrighty then. Nice little move up. This little support area held, and came back up to the pivot. And we're just kind of hanging out there. Let's see. I don't know what to think about that. It is what it is. Good thing I reduced my risk. All right, there's the move up. That was just a fakie to the downside. Get everybody thinking. Back up to 89 points up on NASDAQ. Look for that move above that. Got a nice little consolidation. Probably was a buy right there at 78. What is that? 86. I might take that if we get back above that. It's a little slow going though. I don't really like that. I'd like to see a pop. Come on. Oh, you turd. Not quite ready yet. I actually still like it. As long as we don't go too deep here. I'd like to see a plunge down and then a move up. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm going to just reduce my risk a little bit. See if I can get that push up. See if we can take out the high. Come on. There we go. You can do it. Let's see, 82, 102, there's 20. See if I can get to the 30. There we go. Come on. 400. Let's go. Give me 6. Come on, baby. You can do it. Almost got there. Come on, power up there. Gonna give me 11. Can't give me 13. There we go. All right, nice little trade. There we go, blazer on up. Good little trade for 30. Let's see. What time is it? So if I go to if I go to Mr. Phipps Trades, go down to economic calendar. Today we have the 19th, right? Yep. Okay, we just got crude, and then the Fed funds rate at 2, press conference at 2:30. Okay. Yeah, it's not a bad call. I would have to agree with you. All right, so picked up a couple good trades, had a couple of not so good trades. Got back above the opening range high there, 814. Cruised up pretty well. We're up 135 points. Coming up to some resistance now here, about 843. Okay, so we're right at the 5-day EMA. So you might want to keep that in mind. If we get above that, we could blast off pretty well. And I think we're right on it right now. $20,064. We also have the weekly pivot at 872. So at 836 is where the EMA is. 836. What happened there? Okay. So right where we're at now. Like I said earlier, if we get above that, we could blast off, get a nice little move to the upside. Whether they do that or not, I don't know. The high 44, potentially a little reject. Here's the 5-minute. Also the bear zone. Right? Which a lot of times you get a rejection on the first time you get to the bear zone. It's also top control, which in this case says bottom control, but they flip-flop, which generally means a bearish day. What I've noticed, especially since we started below. That's kind of been the observation. Now, whether or not that flips around and we actually, have a huge up day, I don't know. We'll see. I'll be just watching it. All right. There's 5-minute, 2-minute now, and I kind of like the 2-minute today. I'm going to just let that kind of meander off there. See if we can come down to the opening range high. If I was going to take a long, we're pretty close. Would have been around 817. Could have got a nice flush up. Yep. That was the move up. I wasn't ready. So now I got to wait again. Look at that. There you go. Just going to try to push up. I'd say if you get above 45, that could just be a breakout. I think I stopped taking the breakouts, but I might try one here. Maybe that's why I stopped taking them. Don't do it. Don't do it. 817, 818, 820 was a much better entry. If we come back down now, reload. I'm still liking this long here. I think we can move up. We're also in the bear zone, so if we can stay inside here, it could be a nice little move to the upside, but it'll just be choppy. So I'll try to take some profit. If I can take like 10, 15 points at a time, I'll take them. Come on, baby. Get on up there. All right, it's going to be hard to get through that, I'm thinking. Come on. 50 it cruises on up to give me 10, I'll be pretty close to taking that. What am I in at? 42? If I can get 52 comfortably. There you go. Yep, there you go. At least I got something out of it. I don't like the breakouts anymore, so I'll leave that one alone. Ravine! 1 hour chart, top at 200 SMA. What's that number, Ravine? All right, we're coming back down to retest that. And I think if we hold, any move back below 830, I think, is a bearish move. So if we hold this, this could just be a nice little long. I don't know. I like how we're just kind of sitting here. It's almost like it's thinking. Yep. $19,857. Thank you. Okay, we got to 59, so we're right there. So that would be like the 8.3 EM on the daily. All right, the 200. Gotcha. Well, 20,000 is a big number anyway, right? All right, there goes that move up. Looking for 894. I think I'll wait right now for at least 842. I don't know if it comes down. I think we'll have to wait for some time here. And it looks like it was just a buy and hold. Here you got today's low at 604, or yesterday's low at 604. We took out the London high. We did not take out the low. Okay, I'd like to see a move back down here. That would be fantastic. 44, 45 area. I would actually buy right there or close to it. still nice little move up. Let's hang out with the 2 minute. Trying to get up there to that 94 area, 95. Get on top. Okay, so that's my box up there. Trying to move into that box area. We're above that 5-day EMA. Trying to bust out above that 94 area. Let's see if we can do it. First time's usually a reject. So high is 94.25 so far. There's that rejection. In a perfect world, I would like to see a move down like this, and then down to here, and then a move up. That's what I like to see, but I don't always get what I want, so see if we can come down to around 65. I would consider for entry there. Doesn't look like I'm going to get it though. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on. All right, we're going to head up. Try to take out that 94. 900 probably isn't a bad play. See what the 5 minute, 15, what are you looking like? Oh, you're looking bullish. All right, so we got the top of that gap at, oh, we already went through it, 84, okay. Next big area then would be probably this guy at 930 and then 975. Got to get above that bull zone and close it out. All right, there we go. Okay, come on down to 74. 75. It's 85 and 75. I was going to take it if it came back down. Oh, there we go. Maybe I still got a chance. Down at 83, they should have taken it. There's 04. There we go. Let's get down to 77. I'll just take one. If we can come down to 77 or so, I'll try that. Okay, 86. Come on, go back down there, damn it. I wasn't quick enough. I was more worried about where I was going to put that guy to start with. That would have been a good one. Down there at 77. Okay, come on, pop it. I need to see a pop to the upside, otherwise I need to probably get out. Come on. All right. Oh, come on. Almost got it. I'm going to move up to about 88. So at least I don't lose anything, or lose very little. Come on. Nope. Okay, let's try it again. Would like to see a bigger move down, a little more of a move down, I think. Maybe we get it on this candle. Something come down to around 60 and then pop back up. Oh. No, I didn't like that. Got to get out of that. I just saw we could close the 5-minute gap down at 63. This is where I like to take entry though. Maybe a little bit lower. What's the 15 looking like? Alright, so we got 1 minute left on the 15. It's still bullish, so I like to buy. So on the 15-minute candle, could get a nice little pop either up or down. Okay, we're coming down to that 60 area. See if I can get a pop up. There you go. Come on, a little more. All right, that was a good little pop. Just playing the candles, playing the 15-minute. All right, so I'm going to wait now. I'll wait for that 15-minute to close and see what it's going to do. Obviously, a move back above that 901 would be very bullish. On the 1 minute, you got a little something like that. If we come down a little bit further, I'll try to jump down in there and grab that. If not, he's going to pick me up here, which I really don't care for. All right, I'm going to go ahead and bring my stop up. Yep, I didn't like it. Okay, we should get a new 15. Yep. So move back up. Should be a little bullish. Should get a move up, at least to the top there. So to 900. So I could be 12 points if I can write it right. Come on, pop it up. There you go. Pop it up. Come on. Get up there. See if I can get to 99. Oh, come on. You can do it. Nope. And maybe we come down a little bit first. Okay, so now I'm going to look for a big wick. Oops, I don't want to do that. I'd like to see a move down and a big wick. A little close. Down. There you go. Come on, move down. I'm just kind of killing myself here. It's all about timing. See if I can get the timing right. If I do, this could be like a 40-pointer or something. All right, come on, push down. Let's just get a flush down. 45. Still inside the sell gap. I mean the sell zone. This could be it right here. I don't know, maybe they sell it. Okay, you got the 5-minute short there at 64. I like to see like a flush down and then a big wick. Still got 10 minutes on the 15. This might be the move up here. Damn it. Tried to get down there to 79. Six, 96, 106, that would be 30. We can get above 01, we should get a nice little pop. Oh, come on. No, you're gonna take me. Nope, got lucky. Ugh. I thought about taking it too. I thought, I wonder if they're going to come back down. This could be the big flush out right here. Try to trap all the people that try to get up, take out all the stops, I should say, not trap. What you can see is just a big old wick up. 7 seconds. Come on. Get up there. Nope. Nope. All right, it's my last trade. Oh, come on. Get up there and give it to me. That's it. I was pretty confident that 15-minute was going to pop up there. In fact, I still am. But man, doesn't look like I can hold it. I'm going to wait for the last 5 minutes or something. What I should do is put a box around this and just wait till it pops, huh? Probably be a better play. All right, we're just kind of going sideways here. Or just go long down here at the bottom of the box. That's the other option. Okay, dropping out the bottom. Okay, I'm going to just grab it if we come back up. And just try to reduce my stop to as small as possible. Get up there to 95. Ah. Let's see. All right, that's a pretty small stop. Just need one move above 80 there, and I think we'll get it. I think we'll get the long. Nope, not going to get it. Nope. Fucker. All right, I'm done playing. I don't want to get this guy too far out of control here. Okay, this is the 21. Yep, the 21 EMA came down to it on the 2 minute. $15. Almost filled its gap. Almost came down to that support. Two minutes left on the 15. I think it's a pretty crucial 15 minutes. So I did say earlier that I would like to see it come down. I just didn't think it was going to. All right, minute 24 left. Let's see what she does. Back inside the box. Better get out of this. No? Yep. Dang it. $37 seconds. Alright, so far we're in we got a bearish mode going down. So every move up was just to get short. So far on the 1 minute. All right, I'll look for the next move up. 15 minutes done. New 15-minute candle. And the short is below that right there. There was a short. Damn it, missed it. Probably could get back in it if I wanted it. Right there. So short is back below there. We are up 140. We are holding some support at 43. The bottom of the bear zone is at 830. I'm going to take that short. In fact, the higher we get up, the better. Let's go. Come on. Get on up there. A little bit higher. There you go. See if we can come down to the 1 minute weighted. Oh. I'll let him take me out if he gets back up there. Come on. Let's go. come on, down to 30. Let's go. There we go. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's nothing. That's it. I'm out. Out of coins. Out of quarters. Got to get down below 43, I think. And we could get a pop down to at least 30. But I'm buying that support. That's the problem. And I just don't have enough gas in the tank. Come on, push it down, baby. All right, this one either make or break me. Oh, you fucker. All right, that's it. Damn you, look at, you're going to go now, aren't you? Probably going to go now. There you go. There she is. Oh, that's right. All right, I'm going to go. I'll be back later. I'm going to just leave it on the channel. I'll be back at FOMC time. So, ciao.